Hi, I'm interior designer Vanessa DeLeon, and welcome to this Parisian-inspired apartment on 5th Avenue. This was any interior designer's dream, a complete gut renovation, and I can't wait to show you around. This apartment was filled with walls, creating tiny, cramped spaces. And I knew I had to open it up, which you can see as soon as you step in. This place is all about the graceful flow between the spaces. It's important to make a design statement right away. But the apartment didn't have a natural foyer, so I created one here. I added this beautiful textured wallpaper with gold leafing. Gold accents continue, not only here in the sconces and mirror, but throughout the entire apartment. Talk about setting a luxurious tone. The kitchen is one of the first things you see as soon as you walk in, so I knew it had to be a showstopper. We opened up the walls and added this double-sided gold hood, which pairs well with this black and gold range. Like Coco Chanel said, the little black dress never goes out of style. And that's why we went with black for all the appliances and cabinets. We continue the gold in the countertops with a waterfall edge. And these fixtures are all reminiscent of a Parisian bistro. This dining room was formerly a small office. This structural column wasn't going anywhere, so we embraced it by adding molding. It also helped to delineate the area, and I boosted that delineation with the soffits throughout the perimeter. For the table, I went with glass and lucite so it didn't feel bulky. I didn't want the space to be defined by a table like most dining rooms are. I instead chose to extend this banquette, which increases the opportunity for entertaining. And the gold accents could be found in the chandelier and the chairs. This living room is the star of the show, don't you think? It absolutely bursts with texture, color, and design drama. We brought in this deep, tufted emerald sofa that is so comfortable, and added these decorative pillows from my collection. For the rug, I wanted something muted but still had some movement to it. So we had this custom made with subtle streaks of ivories, golds, and grays. These lacquered rock-shaped tables bring a dash of the unexpected, as do the eclectic mix of seating I placed around here. I sourced these side tables. They're covered in faux-hide and they're so good to the touch. We dropped the ceiling so we could add the chandelier, but made it feel like it was always part of the architecture by adding the medallion and decorative molding. This living room exudes joie de vivre, no? On the way to the bedrooms, I wanted to create a splash in this hallway, pun intended. Check out this linen wallpaper. Accent it with a sputnik light fixture. Isn't this guest bedroom cute? Here it was all about making it bright and airy, but it also had to be flexible. That's why I went with a daybed. And we used these mirrors to make the room feel larger. I saved the drama for the ceiling. Look at this wallpaper that swirls in rose and gold. And because guest bedrooms should always be a little playful, I added butterflies in the light fixture and the wall art. The primary bedroom, by contrast, is more elegant but also eclectic, filled with contrast and surprise, like this dramatic blue accent wall behind the tufted headboard. A crystal chandelier hangs overhead, and the fuchsia chaise lounge in the corner provides a pop of color. I also designed the champagne Roman shade with crystal tassels. I wanted this bedroom to feel curated and romantic, and I think we succeeded. I really hope you enjoyed my latest project where Paris meets 5th Avenue. Au revoir!
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.